This is a 2010 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 34,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Phil Long Ford at Chapel Hills is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1565 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs.